so stoked right now. Zippo just hooked me and this guy up with meeting one of our favorite bands. Well, it's my favorite band in the world. Got them on my skin. Asking Alexandria. We just got to 5 minutes. Just made my year. Zippo just made my year.
Yeah.
I can't believe that just happened.
It wasn't even real. It wasn't real. We're shaking. We're just standing there.
This is the best thing.
Happiest moment.
Oh my
ever.
god.
Yeah.
Let the